Hi, welcome to Inkjet Star's new website. We have 3 new methods on helping you make your purchases easier. We have the general search, the horizontal drop-down, and the quick search. The general search will often help you search for exactly what you need and often give you our recommended choices. The horizontal drop-down menu will help you browse by your printer model and your printer series. And lastly, we have our quick search. This is used to speed up your purchasing process by searching through printer brand, your printer model, and your printer series. And don't forget to look at the best seller products, often giving you the best prices and deals on some of our products. By creating an account, you will be able to have your orders saved, and don't forget to sign up for our newsletters. Here at Inkjet Star, we want to make your purchasing time easier. By doing so, we use your recent orders and make it a click away. And on this page, you will be able to fill in all your information required for your purchase. The most important thing is that we do not save your credit card information or your PayPal information. We thank you for purchasing from Inkjet Star, quality printer, ink, and laser toner cartridges.